Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a document to a workspace in Google Drive using Google Workspace for Business. Whether you're organizing team files or setting up a new project folder, this process ensures your documents are exactly where they need to be for seamless collaboration. First, open your browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your starting point for accessing Google Workspace with administrator privileges. Once the page loads, you'll need to enter your workspace credentials. Type in the email address and password associated with your Workspace account. These credentials are what give you the necessary permissions to manage documents across your organization's Drive. After logging in, open a new tab in your browser and head over to drive.google.com. This brings you directly into Google Drive, where all your Workspace documents and folders live. From here, you have full access to create, organize, and manage files for your team. If you want to place your document in a specific folder, navigate to that target folder. Now, simply browse through your Drive structure and click on the folder where you'd like the document to live. If you're planning to keep it at the top level in My Drive, you can skip this step and stay right where you are. Now, if you need to create a new document from scratch, click the plus new button located in the upper left corner. A menu will appear with options for different document types like Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. Select the type that fits your needs, and the document will open in a new tab ready for editing. If you already have a document saved on your computer that you want to upload, click File Upload. Instead, select the file from your device and click Open to bring it into your Drive. Once your document is created or uploaded, you'll want to give it a clear descriptive name. If you just created a new document, you'll see Untitled Document at the top. Click on that text, type in your desired name, and press Enter. This makes it easy for your team to identify the file later. Finally, if you need to move the document into a specific folder, right-click on the document in My Drive. From the menu that appears, select Move To, then choose the destination folder from the list. Click Move, and your document will be relocated to the correct spot within your workspace. And that's it. Your document is now added and organized exactly where you need it in your Google Workspace Drive. Thanks for watching.